If you want to open an app in the pop-up view or the floating window mode on the Motorola smartphone, then in this case, first of all, you can open the app that you want to open in that pop-up view. Then we can go to background apps, and if it's possible to open an app in the pop-up view, then below the preview you might be able to find this rectangle within a rectangle. So if you can just use that button, and as you can see, now we have the app opened in the pop-up view. You can resize it, you can also go to the full screen, and so on and so forth. If you tap on this line that we have at the top of the app, then you can find some additional options as well. In some other cases, you may need to tap on the app icon in here to find the freeform option. It is just called freeform, but this is the floating window mode. And in some cases, you can also use a sidebar. So if you have a sidebar, then you can open apps from the sidebar, and they will be just open in the floating window mode, as you can see over here. And that is pretty much it. Keep in mind that there might be some Motorola smartphones that do not have the option to use the floating window mode. Leave a like and subscribe.